Hello and welcome back. Check this out, guys. Welcome back to AI Mastery Hub, and now the first tool is Pika Labs. Search for Pika Labs, and here you need to enter this first website and click on join beta and accept this invite, or you need to sign up with Google account. And after redirecting to this page, just click on generate 1 or 2 or any other. This is an open community. You can watch this video or other users generated videos like this one or this one. So let's create our own video. We need to write / and create. So we will add here image. So after image, we need to select our image. This is a robot's image, as you can see. So we will write our prompt like robot walking and discussing to animate the robot image. So after 1 minute, you can see your video will be ready. This is the video from image. So let's try another video. Similarly, we will write create, and before prompt we will add image. So this is an astronaut image, so I am adding my prompt as astronaut walking away. So after 1 minute the video will be ready. So this is the video of astronaut walking away. So we can also regenerate this video if you do not like this from here after changing our prompt, or just we can regenerate without changing the prompt, and easily we can download it. And now let's move towards the another tool, which is Genmo AI. Search for it and click this first website. And here just click on animate and continue to animate, and they will ask you for a sign up. So just sign in with your Google account, and after that upload your image, and you can adjust your settings like length, exploration, or smoothness. Like I will increase my smoothness, and just click on make video, and after maybe 60 seconds your video will be ready. So here is the result. Let me adjust it for you, and this is the result. So you can easily download it from here, and we will try another image. I have one image of eye, so here are the results of that image. So let's move toward the third one, which is runway ML. Search for it and enter the first website. Here you can try runway for free, and we will select a free plan, and here we will click on text to video or image to video. We will add here an image from our PC or laptop. Just we will add this image of astronaut, and we have to write a prompt according to our image. As you can see, it is the image of astronaut. So I am writing my prompt as astronaut floating, and it has a sun in his background. So we will write sun rotating 360 degree maybe. So we cannot preview it because it is a image plus description mode. So we will generate, and after 30 seconds your video will be ready. And I highly recommend this AI tool because you can see the quality, and according to our prompt it really generates very good video. So let's try another one. So here I have the image of butterflies over the river. So we will write our prompt according to our image. So always make sure to write prompt according to your image. Like I will write butterflies moving and water flowing. Let's add something more like let's write stormy weather, and click on generate, and let me zoom in first and show you the result. So this is the result. So this is, I highly recommend, this is the best one. So I think you like this video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos on AI tools and life hacks.